we are sort of questioning whether our chemical mix was strong enough. So this was one of those jobs that didn't quite go to plan. To the end, you'll see exactly how it turned out. Good morning. Today we're in Threlkeld, which is a small village just outside Keswick, right actually below Blencathra. So we're not doing the front, but we've got this gable end to do. So you can see it's quite heavily stained. The pink algae down the bottom. Mould in here. And this is it dry, but when we put water on it, it will go really stained. So the window bottoms, window sills, and this corner again very green. Nice garden at the back here, and then when we look at the back here, really red. Green algae here. So that's today's job. Let's see how we get on with this one. And it's the 10th of July, great British summer, and it's peeing down with rain. So we put first round of treatment on it. See, it's gone quite pink, and then comes round the back, just starting to rinse off. So we do rinse at 60 degrees. Look, see what we're doing here. So this first rinse, this gets rid of a lot of the staining, and then we'll put another treatment on it. You can see that's what it's like before. Rinse that, getting rid of all the dead spores, and that's 60 degrees, low pressure. As I say, we'll put another treatment on, and then we'll show you how that looks then. With the first treatment on, this hasn't been rinsed yet. You can see how it reacts. So the red, this is basically the Threlkeld, which it reacts to our chemical, and basically it's a keratin that it gives off to protect itself. But this proves to us that we've now killed the algae, and we'll now rinse it off, as I say, at 60 degrees. Got a bit of staining here under this chimney. That should clear. Spores here. Well, the mist has come right down. You can't see the bells now. So we finished this job now, and it's basically been peeing down all day. So we've definitely got soaked. See, the mist is still down. A real shocking day. So we put 2 treatments on and a biocide treatment, and I'll show you what it's looking like. There are a few red marks on it, and that's really the dead algae. And you rinse it, you can see the red stain in there. That will go over the next couple of days. So that's it after we've done 2 treatments and put a biocide on. Now that should clear over the next couple of days. And we always say to customers, if for any reason it doesn't, or they have any concerns, then we would come back and make sure that we cleared everything. So we're back at this property at Threlkeld now, and we did the back and the gable about 2 weeks ago, and when we left the walls were still showing signs of algae on there. They were quite pink, and we just want to show you now how it looks when it's fully dried out. So this is the gable end. You can see it's really cleaned up very well, and I'll just wander around the back, just see if I can get around here. So all this area here, so there's a bit of rust there, but just show you around here.
Hello?
Okay, am I okay just filming the back?
Yeah, but do you want me to take me washing it?
No, we're going to do the front. So we're not touching the back.
No,
So,
no, but I mean for your photograph.
no.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not. I won't film your washing. So you can see it's really cleaned up very well. And the windowsills. Yeah, so we're really pleased with that. So it's looking very good. So that's the gable, and they've asked us back to now clean the front. So this is what we're cleaning today. So again, a bit of algae down the bottom. Oh, dog's there. And we've actually just been to this property here to clean the back of that one. So, not a bad result. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.